Okay, I brake cleaned as much of it down as I could. Now the really big things I gotta do is go over it with the disc, and knock off some of the paint or rust. I'm not gonna knock off all the paint, just a good majority of it with the rust. So yeah. Before I begin, you should probably wear a mask. Through most of it, just coming back to this because basically all the paint off, and I just have the first black paint on it just to get some on there. Pure metal. There's so many freaking bugs coming out of the grass. Look at that. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna end the video here. Get that covered, cover it up, go in the house, take a shower, eat, edit, and yeah, peace.